Hello! Today I'm going to be unboxing the Pony Friends set.
We've set as well as entire beauty-related 2022 line, which includes a princess dress-up set, a pony's hairstylist set, and a pony's stylish hair salon. Has a lilac box with chevrolet and glitter in it. It looks like some kind of magic box.
On the side we see some information about with ponies, but unfortunately it's in Japanese and not in English.
The back is also in Japanese. The picture on the left shows we've set in pony stylish hair salon. Here we see that the ponies can be styled with hairpins and elastic bands. And here it's shown that the set can be combined with other sets with beauty line of 2022.
So here it shows the contents.
So we've got a picture here showing how to put the clips in her hair.
Well, I found out that their names are Bella Chestnut and Giselle Silver. So now let's pull them out.
Pure background. While I was trying to pull out the accessories, I damaged it, but it still looks beautiful, like the transitions from one color to another. And below where the pony stood with tiles. The first we have is with turquoise elastic band with a bow. Usually we have the same elastic band, only pinkish color. And then with pink hairbrush, on the back of the hairbrush a pattern of flowers and leaves, and the edges are like flower petals. Next we have a turquoise comb above the bristles with a pattern similar to royal. Then with a pink hairpin with two strawberries. Looks very aesthetic. We've also with turquoise hairpin with candy. Placing both with hairpins on your head, you'll get a feast on your head. And this is probably my favorite hairpin in entire beauty 2022 line. The three flowers may seem ordinary, but they look very beautiful. We've also the same hairpin with three flowers in turquoise, but I prefer pink. And next we have with purple tiara. The same tiara, only in pale pink, is included in accessory set. Then with a white necklace with yellow flower. I think the chain looks like some kind of pearls. We also have a round pink handbag with lilac pearl handle and lilac bow. On the edges it looks stitched like a real handbag. And the last thing we have is the woven bag with a turquoise bow, ribbon and turquoise handles. The handbag is also the same shape as the bag from the accessory set, only it has a different color, and the previous bag and necklace were no exception. Next we have a lilac mirror with patterns around the edges and a heart at the top. Now let's look at Bella. She wears a yellow plaid dress with white lace and a lilac ribbon with a bow. Her brown hair is just gorgeous. Let's now look at her tail. Oh, it's so cute. The second girl is wearing a floral blue blouse with white lace and yellow bow in the middle. Besides, she's wearing blue pants. I like that they now make Sylvanian pants for girls, because before only boys had this privilege. She has a cute tail too. Only hers is white, like your hair. So I decorated their hair and outfits with different accessories as shown in the lower left corner of the box. Now I have all 4 ponies from the beauty line that currently exist. I hope there will be pony father and pony brother in the future. I would be interested to see what they look like. And as one witty commentator put it, the new ponies were privileged to have a personality in clothes. Please guys, support my channel by liking the video and subscribing. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Bye!